Sister Hortense! Sister Hortense! 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 How are who call me? Huh? You know, catch that voice there. Then who couldn't call me so soon in the morning, yeah? I don't know who that call me.
Your long-time friend Irene from foreign.
Oh,
Florida.
Irene! Oh, Irene! Oh, Irene from foreign. Then I wish she had here. I want breeze blow area after so much years. You know where she go. Sister Hortense! Sister Hortense!
You can't tell me where
Hortense!
they got the woman there called
Hold dog, hold dog, hold dog.
The only dog me have the one under my foot, yeah.
Are your long time friend, Irene? Yes, Sister Irene. I am very happy to see you. So how things with you in America there?
I am doing very well, very well.
Me still there struggle. Me figure a market go sell in the arcade. But the arcade burn down. Every year the arcade burn down. And me 2 piece of coro them when me have in there burn right up. So from where the me pressure take me and me no go nowhere, me there sit down. Oh, me glad to see you do again. Me glad to see you. Yes. Go on, my long time friend Hortense. How over 30 years me no see you. Every day me talk about you. Eh? From we are young girl and I run up and down all over the place and I take we man. How can I forget? Girl, I carry a little something for you. You take it there, put on. And let me help down my bag too. Yes, I can tell you. Every single day, me laugh, me talk to myself. I don't know if you remember when it tore away, I keep the same man. I know say you never know say. Me, Irene, did I take the man too.
That is what you believe.
I tell you say, I want the secret me I carry with me for over 30 years now. I don't know if you remember when me did live with brown dust in the 1 bedroom
With the single bed chopping at the
round a
corner.
chippy corner there. And as brown dust gone, I made that out a road. I look for Mass Lucky. Girl, me know you not unlucky and I keep you know. But lucky they have a hype on me.
Liar,
Because
tell
Lucky used to
Irene,
talk.
liar.
Oh, me cock up round here so. Baba, me never want there with him.
Irene, the
But
well and have ya pa me man.
one of the day, Lucky back me up. I couldn't do nothing more give up. And let me tell you, I feel years it trouble me brain.
Confess ya can.
Yes. Me don't know if you know the first picnic where me have. I feel lucky. But me couldn't beg Lucky the picnic. And in the same period of time, me mama send for me, say me fi come a foreign. And me and the picnic go together. Brother, me keep it hush hush for how much years. Picnic never get in right papa at all. I don't confess me, I confess. But every day me talk over it is sweet, me so till. Oh God. Yes. I'm telling you. Yes. Yes, me know say you're lucky in there. But me never want the friendship to mash up with me and you so me no make you worry me no say nothing. And as you know, lucky in a one nice man, very nice man. Me I tell you, very nice. Me know him they are more woman too. But I'm me daddy number one. So me no bother make it trouble me. Every night him have to come home, come sleep and yard. Every time he work, he come home with him money. So me I get everything what me want. So me never bother make it trouble me back in a them day. But me hear one little sound say Carol. I did feel lucky. But through me nay hear from you, my friend Irene, me couldn't go along with the hearsay. So me nay bother make you worry me neither. You understand? And through them the time them in God picked me for Lucky until eventually me and Lucky did heading up left. Yes. And me did there with Rufus. So I me and Rufus they are same way. Eh? Yeah, one piece of bad foot there. He go a doctor tell him say a arthritis. But away from that, he still did a panga. I'm me there too. Boy, me I tell you, me glad to see you. Thank you for the things them will do me. Thank you very much. Thank you. Well, alright then, okay, alright. You keep it secret for long though. Them you nowadays people now keep no secret. As something happen them bossy out. I know like back in the day, where we are keep up secret. Eh? How well if person used to go along in a back in the day business, you know. Sometimes it was a rather know. But true, we didn't talk about it. Well, alright then, Sister Irene. Alright. Alright, give me a hug then, give me a hug. Alright. Alright, when we see you here, me I come grow on a back. Me I two yamel when me want go dig up round there. Alright, take care.